top 5 exercises to reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. 1. Strengthen your throat muscles with simple tongue exercises for better airflow during sleep. 2. Practice neck stretches to relax tight muscles, reducing the likelihood of snoring at night. 3. Engage in jaw exercises to prevent mouth breathing, a common cause of snoring. 4. Incorporate breathing exercises to enhance lung capacity, promoting smoother breathing while asleep. 5. Stay consistent with these exercises to significantly improve your sleep quality and reduce snoring. Join us for more tips on better sleep and health.